Good day everyone. Myself Punithan son of Salvatore. Today you are going to know about usage of ammonium nitrate as fertilizer since me and my friends are going to talk about it. We are from lecture group 17 and chemistry team 8. First, let's see what is actually meant by ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate is a chemical compound with chemical formula NH4NO3. I've given a picture there so that you all can visualize how ammonium nitrate look like. Next, let's see the structural formula. When ammonia gas, it's a type of base, reacts with nitric acid and type of acid, it will surely produce a salt, right? That is ammonium nitrate. It is a white crystalline solid. It means it looks like a crystal in white color consisting of two ions, which is ammonium ion and nitrate ion. Okay, now let's get to the main point about the physical properties of ammonium nitrate. In room temperature, which is about 25 degrees Celsius, ammonium nitrate exists as solid. It has a boiling point at 210 degrees Celsius and melting point at 169.6 degrees Celsius. It's quite high, right? It means the bond between the ammonium ion and the nitrate ion is very strong. Ammonium nitrate also exists as white crystalline or bed-like powder. Next, the density of ammonium nitrate is 1.72 gram per cm cube. It is higher than the normal water. As we say, density of ammonium nitrate is higher than water. So, will it sink? Let's ask Pasha. Pasha, do you think ammonium nitrate will sink in water? Can we see it?
Yes, of course, Puni. It will sink and we can see it.
Okay, Pasha told she can see. It's okay, I will explain about it in a short while. Alright, let's move to the chemical properties now. Ammonium nitrate is a water-soluble salt. I guess you can relate now why we can't see ammonium nitrate sink in the water. Because it's going to dissolve in the water. Ammonium nitrate is water soluble, so it's gonna dissolve. That's why we cannot see ammonium nitrate sinking in the water, and it's a weak acid with pH value 5.4. It is also hygroscopic. Hygroscopic means a substance that can absorb moisture from the air. So it is clear that ammonium nitrate is going to help the plants to get the water if we use it as fertilizer, since it can absorb the moisture from the air. It also provides nitrogen to the plants. We know that nitrogen is very important for healthy growth of plants, right? Ammonium nitrate is not that reactive and also fairly stable. It decomposes at high temperature to form nitrous oxide and water vapor. It is also highly explosive when contact with fire. So be careful. Let's know more about ammonium nitrate from my friend. Saji, can you explain about the manufacturing of ammonium nitrate, please?
I'm Ammonium, and today I'll be explaining to y'all about the manufacturing of ammonium nitrate as a fertilizer. So this is a process to be remembered. Let's get started. Ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate contains about 33% of nitrogen. Nitrogen is an essential mineral needed for plants for better growth. So ammonium nitrate plants are operated in conjunction with nitric acid and ammonia, which are the raw materials for its manufacturing. So this manufacturing of ammonium nitrate is processed or manufactured through Stangl process. It is a process where they manufacture ammonium nitrate fertilizer. So the raw materials needed in this process is ammonia, which will be derived from Haber process, and nitric acid, which will be derived from Oswald process. So we have the equation below there. Nitric acid reacts with ammonia to produce ammonium nitrate. The delta H equals to negative 20.6 kilojoule per mole or kilocalories, which indicates that it is an exothermic reaction. So Haber process is where we can get our ammonia. So nitrogen from the air reacts with hydrogen from the natural gas with the ratio of 1 to 3 by volume. and it will be compressed into a converter with 400 to 450 degrees Celsius and 200 atomic pressure, and this process uses iron catalyst to speed up the reaction of to produce ammonia. So the unreacted gases are recycled, and all these gases are cooled and ammonia turns to liquid. So we have will produce liquid ammonia here, as you can see, and we have the equation over here, which is nitrogen gas plus 3 hydrogen gas to produce 2 ammonia with delta H equals to negative 92 kilojoule per mole. So we have ammonia right now. So next we need nitric acid for the production of ammonium nitrate. So how is nitric acid actually produced? Through the Oswald process. So as you can see, ammonium from the air will be reacted in the converter to produce nitrogen oxide, and then the nitrogen oxide with nitrogen dioxide will produce 2 nitrogen dioxide with N2O4, and then this will be reacted together with water, where they'll produce nitric acid. So now we have nitric acid and ammonia. So now we'll go through Stengel process, which is needed for the production of ammonium nitrate. So as you can see, the Stengel process, superheated ammonia vapor with the temperature of 145 degrees Celsius will be reacting with preheated concentrated nitric acid with 170 degrees Celsius. So as it reacts, it will be converted into the packed tower. So it will be let to react in the packed tower, and once it is reacted in packed tower, then it will be passed into a cyclone separator, because the ammonium nitrate which is produced is actually in a liquid form. So the liquid ammonium nitrate will be passed into a cyclone separator, which where it will separate steam and the solution quickly. Next, once it is separated, then the air is blown through melt of ammonium nitrate. So the water is removed and melt containing 0.25% moisture produced directly. So once the melt of ammonium nitrate is produced, and then the melt is directly prilled in short tower. Prilled is where the solid ammonium nitrate is produced, where it will be cut into uniform size prills to be obtained to be produced as fertilizer. Next, the prills are dried and cottoned and taken to taken into packets for packaging. So let me show you the actual process. Here you can see the ammonia is heated in 145 degrees Celsius, and then the nitric acid is heated in 175 degrees Celsius. Once both of them are heated in the ammonia heater and nitric acid heater separately, they'll go through the reactor, which is the packed tower. So once it goes to the packed tower, the liquid ammonium nitrate will pass through the cyclone separator, where the water vapor will be removed and the melt will be processed through the drum crystallizer, or this is where you call the prilling process happen. The prilling process is where the solid ammonium nitrate is produced, and once it is produced, that will be prilled into uniform sizes to be used as fertilizer. So this is the flow diagram of ammonium nitrate, where it will be produced and processed into a fertilizer. So that's all from me. Thank you.
About manufacturing, okay, but what are the usage of ammonium nitrate? Let's ask Fasha again.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is Fasha Ada, and I'm going to continue the presentation by talking about usage of ammonium nitrate. Firstly, in agriculture field, Ammonium nitrate can be used as fertilizers. Why? Because ammonium nitrate has high nutrient content, very soluble in soil, and easy to handle. Furthermore, ammonium nitrate can also be used as herbicides and insecticides. Next, in medication field, ammonium nitrate acts as nutrient in producing antibiotics. It also is one of the components for analgesic in surgery and dentistry. Moreover, ammonium nitrate is the salt component for instant cold pack. How? Ammonium nitrate will react with water and undergoes endothermic process, whereby this reaction will absorb heat from surrounding and can lower down the pack temperature. Hence now, you can use the instant cold pack as first aid. Ammonium nitrate is used in pyrotechnics. Pyrotechnics is an art of fireworks, as you can see in the diagram stated. Next, ammonium nitrate is actually a major component in explosion. This is because ammonium nitrate acts as oxynizer, as the oxygen compound in ammonium nitrate is high. Hence, it can cause explosion. Last but not least, ammonium nitrate is a raw ingredient in manufacturing nitrous oxide. Thus, this concludes the usage of ammonium nitrate.
Wow, there were so many other uses of ammonium nitrate. I thought it only used for fertilizer. Okay, but I am sure all of you didn't know what is the advantages and disadvantages of using ammonium nitrate. So let me explain it to all of you. So the first advantages is it can be used at any time of years compared to other fertilizer that will require a certain season where we can use it. So when we use ammonium nitrate, we can use it whenever we want it, so it will make our agricultural works become more easier. Second advantages when we're using ammonium nitrate is it will increase the protein and the oil content in farmer product. So when the protein and the oil will increase at the product that we produce, it will increase the quality as well. So when all of these increase, so it will get higher demand from the consumers. At the end, the income of the farmers will increase. What we have done for the advantages of using ammonium nitrate is ammonium nitrate also have disadvantages. The answer is yes. Ammonium nitrate also have disadvantages by using it. So the first disadvantages is it can be dangerous if inhaled. Under normal handling condition, ammonium nitrate is not harmful. However, inhalation of high concentration of ammonium nitrate can cause respiratory tract irritations. So what is the symptoms? First, cough. Second, sore throat, and the last, shortness of breath. All of these are the symptoms when we would get the respiratory tract irritation by inhale the high concentration of ammonium nitrate. So the second disadvantages is ammonium nitrate can cause explosion when contacted with fire or high temperature. So ammonium nitrate presents a significant explosive threat because it is an oxidizer. What is oxidizer? It is an oxygen-rich compound that can accelerate fires or explosion. So when ammonium nitrate exposure to the elements such as fire or heat, it will start the process of destabilizing of ammonium nitrate. So it will making it self-reactive and prone to releasing the flammable and igniting gases. But not least, the disadvantages of using ammonium nitrate is difficult to store. Yes, as we can see before, if we careless store the ammonium nitrate, it can cause the explosions. So yes, we need to store it properly to avoid the ammonium nitrate turning dangerous. The criteria that need the store of ammonium nitrate need is it have a constant fire monitoring and have emergency response plan prepared. And that's all from me.